So good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We are here at Richwood Homes, developed by Primary Homes. It's a two-story townhouse. Two-story townhouse for sale by developer, which is the Primary Homes Incorporated. So Richwood Homes, located in Barangay San Isidro in Panglao Island, or Dawis, Panglao Island. So these are the model units. So on the left side are the development. So we cannot enter to the side, development side. So there is a model unit. So ini. So the price is 1.7 million. You can pay by cash installment. Cash and installment. In-house Pag-ibig financing and including bank financing. So this is the Richwood Homes. So this is near to the highway. More or less nasa mga around 1 kilometer or less than 1 kilometer from highway. And see, so there are two units here, the deliverable and the dress up unit. Or actually when we see dress up, ano lang yon, parang sample unit lang yon, na yan ang gagawin mo kung sakali, no. You are the one to have an interior, to finish the interior. So yan po ang mangyayari dyan. So lot area is 40 square meters and floor area is 50 square meters. Two story. So dress up unit lang yan. Maganda to guys pag gusto nyo lang may mabakasyunan sa Panglao, gusto kayo mag vacation sa Bohol, to maganda to. Wala ka ng hassle kasi may security guard, parang may magbabantay sa unit mo dyan. Monthly dues lang ang babayaran mo pag makabili ka dito, no? So mas maganda to kaysa mag-hotel ka. Pero kung palagi kayo magpunta sa Panglao, or nandun na kayo nanirahan, or diyan kayo nagtatrabaho, mas mabuti kukuha ka na lang. Hindi man to masyadong mahal, 1.7 million lang. So ito po yon ang tinatawag natin dress up unit. So there are 2 rooms only applicable. 2 rooms ang pwede magawa mo dito. Pero kayo na ang gumawa sa loob. Ano lang to, sample unit lang to. Worth for 1.7 million. So 15,000 reservation. Then pwede siya sa bank, which is 20% down payment and 80% is bank financing. Pwede rin sa Pag-ibig, which is 30% down payment and 70% Pag-ibig financing. So yun po, maganda to sa mga bagong nagkapamilya. Yan po. So punta na rin tayo sa guys, sa deliverable unit. See? No tiles, no partition. Yung sa CR may tiles na guys, pwede na magamit. Actually, pwede mo na yan magamit, no? Syempre magdagdag pa tayo ng kuryente. I-tap pa natin. So, yan po. Yan, service area yan sa labas. So, I repeat, maganda lang to pag gusto kang ano na lang, magbili ka ng unit para hindi ka na mag-hotel sa Panglao. Mahal pa naman. So, kung may sarili ka, pwede itong Airbnb. So, pwede. For sample computation, just contact me. So, may CR, Tile CR po yan. So, wala pang tiles sa mga stairs at saka no partition, ito po sa second floor. No partition, just an open area. Wala po yan. Ganyan lang talaga yan pag turnover. Makapagbayad ka ng 1.7 million, yan po ang mato-turnover sa iyo. Yung may mga pent naman sa labas at sa loob. Pero livable yan, livable na po yan. Pero hindi naman kailangan, hindi naman mag-live ka dyan kung wala ka pa talaga mga partition. So, dagdag ka ng kaunti lang, kaunti. Yan po. I repeat, Richwood Homes, Bohol, which is located in San Isidro, Dawis, in Panglao Island. Few minutes drive from Panglao Airport, International Airport, and White Sand Beaches. Few minutes lang. Pwede mo lang lakarin ka. Yung kwan. Yun po ang actual development dito, guys. Okay. May may almost finished na mga unit diyan. At may mga for sale pa tayo na maabil sa Richwood Homes. Okay? For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. If you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. So, ito po yung development area. Yan po. May natapos na raw, may natapos na. So, yan po. Maraming salamat. Thank you. God bless to all. Happy viewing.